Glock 44 V22. This is super light, dude. I didn't even know they had a 44 in the V. That's super light. But y'all know me, I can't get with Glock in that grip angle. They got the HKP 30, Bodyguard, and the P22. That's super light. Got the Equalizer. What is this? Smith & Wesson Shield Plus Performance Center. That's not bad. Got the Shield in 40. Another Shield in 45. 40. We got the Easy. We got the Smith & Wesson. What is this? 32. Wow. 357 here. 38. We got the Rock Island Armory. Ooh, that's super heavy. Another Rock Island Armory here. We'll check this table out. We got, is this the Bull Armory X? I was looking for one of these. The Axe C, but it's not. I want the MOA one. Let me see. This actually, it's got a lot of texture on it. It's like a built-in gas. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a deep dive. Yeah, I got the 4 1/4. This is the 5-inch. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to grab that one too. Yeah, that's 4. This is the 5-inch. Yeah, I like this one too. It's a little heavier. Got the Dan Wessons here. The Dan Wessons. That's nice. That's heavy. That's super heavy. I got a lot of Dan Wessons here. What is this? We got a Gerson, 9mm. We got a Rock Island Armory. What is this? I don't know how to say that. I'm not gonna butcher that up. We got the Bull Army Cherokee. That actually feels kind of good. We got a Desert Eagle. That's super plasticky. I wouldn't dare buy that.